Katie Ferguson, a loving mother of two, vanished, gone without a trace. It's a parent's worst nightmare. One minute they're there, the next, they're gone. Katie was on a road trip, a journey across America. But this was no family vacation. She was with her ex-lover, Aviles Jr., and her two young children. Katie's family last heard from her in October 2023. She was in Arkansas, thousands of miles away from her hometown in Wyoming. Then, silence. Days turned into weeks. Her phone went straight to voicemail. The worry gnawed at her family's hearts. Where was Katie? The road trip began in Florida. Katie, Adam, and the children were heading to Wyoming, a long journey with a sinister end. They were driving in Adam's black Dodge Durango, a vehicle that would later become a chilling piece of evidence. Police bodycam footage captured Katie alive during the trip, a glimmer of hope in a sea of despair. She was seen in Trumann, Arkansas. The footage showed no signs of trouble, but this footage would be the last confirmed sighting of Katie. Mona, Katie's mother, felt a chill down her spine. Something was wrong. A mother's intuition is rarely wrong. Days turned into weeks, and there was no sign of Katie. Mona's heart ached for her daughter. She knew she had to act fast. Katie's disappearance was a mystery that needed to be solved. Mona contacted the authorities, her voice trembling with fear and desperation. Every passing moment without Katie was agonizing. The clock was ticking. Aviles Jr., Katie's ex-lover, returned to Wyoming with the children, but Katie was not with them. Alarm bells started ringing. Where was Katie? Adam had a criminal past, a convicted felon. He claimed Katie had left the Durango, seeking drugs, but her family didn't believe it. Katie would never abandon her children. Her family knew this to be true. Adam's story was riddled with inconsistencies. He became the prime suspect. The evidence against him was mounting. Adam's black Dodge Durango was found abandoned. It was in Wyoming, not far from Katie's hometown. The windows were covered with black garbage bags. A chill ran down the spines of the investigators. What secrets did this vehicle hold? Inside the Durango, a gruesome discovery. Bloodstains, a loaded Glock magazine, cleaning chemicals, and most disturbing of all, blood containing Katie's DNA. It was found in the passenger door seal. The front passenger seat was missing. Section 6. Unraveling the truth. Investigators pieced together the evidence like a macabre jigsaw puzzle. 3 bullets were embedded in the passenger side of the Durango, 2 fired by the same gun. A Texas state trooper had encountered Aviles during the road trip. He had noted a projectile hole in the passenger door. It was likely a bullet hole. Further investigation revealed Adam had borrowed an angle grinder, a tool that could be used to remove parts of a vehicle. His father had found a pink tote container. It smelled of rotting meat. Adam had retrieved it from a dumpster, claiming it contained DNA. Chilling. Section 7. Where is Katie? Despite the overwhelming evidence, Katie's body has never been found. The search for her continues. Authorities presume she is deceased. The U.S. Attorney's Office is actively investigating. Cadaver dogs have been brought in. They are focusing on a potential fire pit area between Texarkana, Texas, and Arkansas. The question remains, where is Katie? Her family deserves answers. Her children deserve justice. Section 8. A mother's plea. Mona, Katie's mother, is living a nightmare. She is clinging to hope that her daughter will be found. She is pleading for anyone with information to come forward. No detail is too small. Katie's case has gained national attention. Public awareness is crucial. It can mean the difference between a cold case and justice served. Section 9. Finding Katie. Katie's story is a stark reminder that evil can lurk in the shadows. It can touch the lives of those we love. But we must never give up hope. We must continue to fight for justice. For Katie, for her children, for Mona. If you have any information about Katie's disappearance, please contact the authorities immediately. Your call could bring Katie home. Section 10. Resources for domestic violence. If you or someone you know is experiencing domestic violence, please reach out for help. Here are some resources. National Domestic Violence Hotline, 1-800-799-7233. Visit www.thehotline.org for more information and support. Remember, you are not alone. Section 11. Do no harm. In our pursuit of justice and truth, we must always remember to do no harm. Our actions and words have power. Let's use them to support and uplift those in need. Together we can make a difference.